students! I have a fun little game for us where we score a point. But first let's talk about this monster. Monster. What can we say about this monster? Well, I'll give you a hint. He has one eye. Yeah, he has one eye. Good. What else do we see about the monster? Yeah. He has 1, 2, 3 hair on his head. He has a face. He has a face and a big mouth. Big mouth. Good. Monster. Can we say the monster has a big mouth? The monster has a big mouth. Good. Good. Whoop. Yay. Fun. Okay, so we're going to start class by playing a little game where we're going to match some new body parts to the pictures that we see. So I want you guys to listen to what you hear, and we can try to match them together.
Foot.
Make it a little bit louder.
Foot. Foot.
Okay, we heard foot. Foot. Let's see. Foot. Now maybe we know. Where is my foot? I want you to say yes if I'm right, and I want you to say no if I'm wrong. Okay, ready? Is this my foot? Is this my foot? No. Is this my foot? Yes. Good. Let's see.
Foot.
Okay, next is arm.
Arm. Arm.
Arm. Arm. Is this my arm? Is this my arm? No. Is this my arm? Yeah. Let's see if we can. Oh, my computer's being. Something's not right here. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay. And foot. Cool. Let's see what we have next. So we talked about knees. Your knee. Is this my knee? No. Is this my knee? Yes. Good. That one's our knee. And next up we have head. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Is this my head? No. Is this my head? Yeah, good. That's our head. Heads. Good. Next up, we have leg. Leg. Is this my leg? Yes? Oh, no? No. Is this my leg? Yes. Leg. Good, leg. And up next we have shoulders and hand. Is this my shoulder? And is this my hand? No? Okay, so this must be my hand, and this must be my shoulders. Yay! Finish. Good job, students. Good job. All right. So we're going to watch a little video about a scary skeleton. Scary. I hope it doesn't scare us too much. I don't think it will. And then after that, we're going to do a worksheet and review some answers. And next class, we'll be talking about our next lesson, which is about shapes. Okay, let's watch a video.
I'm the scary skeleton, and I look just like you. I sleep and walk, I laugh and talk, move my body too. My head is on my shoulders, my neck's between the two. I've got 2 eyes, a mouth, a nose, 2 ears, just like you. I'm skeleton, I am your friend, you see. I live inside you, so don't be scared of me. I've got a bony body, as everybody knows. 2 bony legs, 2 bony feet, and 10 small bony toes. I've got 2 big bony knees to help me sit or stand. 5 bony little fingers on each big bony hand. I'm skeleton, I am your friend, you see. I live inside you, so don't be scared of me. I'm skeleton, I am your friend, you see. I live inside you, so don't be scared of me.
Okay, I hope you liked the video. Skeleton, nothing scared of me. Okay, so let's move on to our worksheet that goes along with this video. So we talked about some parts of the body. So let's fill out this worksheet, and we're going to start by drawing a line. So which body part do you see first? Eyes. Eyes. Yeah. What do we see next? Our song was called A Scary Skeleton. Good. Here's our skeleton. Let's connect him. What else do we see on here that we know really well? Yeah, I'm using Lily for her feet. Good. Let's see, where's our foot? Oh, there it is. Feet. Yeah. All right. What else do we know? Ah, I see. Cool. Hand. Yeah, hand. Whoop. Hand. Yeah. And on our hands, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. Fingers. So here's our finger picture. And does anybody remember what these are? These ears. Ears. Can we say ears? Ears. Good. So here's our ear. Good job, guys. And there's another really important one that I see here. Lily's leg. Good. Leg. And we sang the song head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Where's our shoulders? Our shoulders over here? No? Is this our shoulders? Yeah, good. These are our shoulders. And what about our knee? Our knee. Oh, there's our knee. And these are our toes. Our toes. Good job, students. So let's do this one together. So on my face, I have one mouth. Good. And I have 1, 2 shoulders. I have just one neck. I have 1, 2 eyes. Good. I have 1, 2 ears. Yeah. Lily has 1, 2 legs. Yeah. And she has 1, 2 feet. But wait. Lily has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 toes. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fingers. And 1, 2 hands. Fingers, 10 toes. Alrighty, good job, students. Today was a great class. I will see you next time when we start talking about shapes. Goodbye. Bye.